Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the auto bird whistle in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to get the auto bird whistle, you can go to Bailey J and you can purchase the auto bird whistle from her, or actually you can join an event or complete a quest to get the auto bird whistle. And this is how the auto bird whistle looks like. After use, nearby birds, except those on bird perch, will change postures more frequently for 3 minutes. And it will also help you capturing the bird, because after you activate this auto bird whistle, there will be like sign on the bird, and I'm going to use it guys. Okay, and as you can see, there are some signs and it will help us in capturing the bird. Okay, this is the first bird, smooth, and it will help us getting more than 1 star in capturing the bird. Okay, and yeah, just like that, and it will last after 3 minutes. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the auto bird whistle item in Heartopia to help you doing the bird watching hobby. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.